15 Remedies for Kidney Stones. Hi everyone. Welcome to our channel, Brightest Life. I'm not a doctor, but I can provide you with some general information about remedies that people often try for kidney stones. However, it's important to note that kidney stones can vary in size and severity, and treatment options can differ based on individual circumstances. If you suspect you have kidney stones or have been diagnosed with them, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional for appropriate advice and treatment. Here are some remedies that people commonly explore. Increase fluid intake. Drinking plenty of water and staying hydrated is crucial in preventing kidney stones and facilitating their passage. Lemon juice and olive oil. Mixing lemon juice with olive oil is a popular home remedy for kidney stones. It is believed to help lubricate the urinary tract and facilitate the passage of stones. Apple cider vinegar. Some people use apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy for kidney stones. It is typically diluted in water and consumed. Dandelion root. Dandelion root is believed to have diuretic properties that may increase urine production and help flush out kidney stones. Nettle leaf tea. Nettle leaf tea is sometimes used to promote diuresis and potentially aid in the passage of kidney stones. Basil. Basil has been used traditionally to help reduce the occurrence of kidney stones. Consuming basil leaves or adding them to your diet may offer some benefits. Kidney-friendly diet. Following a diet that is low in sodium, animal protein, and oxalate-rich foods, while high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, may help prevent the formation of certain types of kidney stones. Avoid certain foods. Limiting or avoiding foods high in oxalates, such as spinach, beets, rhubarb, and chocolate, may be beneficial for some individuals prone to oxalate-based kidney stones. Exercise and physical activity. Regular exercise and staying physically active can help maintain overall health and potentially reduce the risk of kidney stones. Stay away from sugary drinks. High intake of sugary beverages may increase the risk of kidney stone formation. Opt for water or herbal tea instead. Reduce salt intake. High sodium intake can lead to an increase in calcium excretion, which can contribute to kidney stone formation. Reducing salt intake may help prevent this. Drink herbal teas. Certain herbal teas like hydrangea tea, parsley tea, or marshmallow root tea are believed to possess diuretic properties and may be beneficial for kidney health. Limit alcohol consumption. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to dehydration, which may contribute to kidney stone formation. Moderation is key. Avoid excessive vitamin C supplementation. High doses of vitamin C can be metabolized to oxalate, potentially increasing the risk of oxalate-based kidney stones. Consult a healthcare professional. If you have kidney stones or suspect you might, it's essential to seek professional medical advice. A healthcare provider can evaluate your condition, recommend appropriate treatments, and provide personalized guidance. Remember, these remedies are not substitutes for medical advice. Each person's situation is unique, and it's important to consult a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and treatment plan tailored to your specific needs. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Also, please hit the notification button to keep you updated with our upcoming posts and videos. Brightest Life will be happy if you leave comments to our videos and rest assured that we will reply to them. Till next time.